You better come with us,
Dean,
Mr. Splitter.
it's about to start getting pictures again. How do you feel, Dean? How do you feel?
The middle, I know it's gonna hurt.
This is what it's gonna look like at the end. Getting ready. Reinforcer. Okay, Dean.
I've been hanging out in the zoo.
It'll be alright.
You turtle.
I'll be right here with a woo-woo dress. A hard boy. And we watching
Did we interest you in a
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They keep us occupied.
What are you guys doing here? How did you get here? Did anyone see you come in?
Any special order you want those questions answered in?
Yes, quickly.
Looking for Baxter Stockman, by the sewers, and no. Does that clear things up?
I'm
I
getting it
can't
ready.
remember what I asked.
We're looking for the genius who built this. His name is Baxter Stockman.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got to
The sound we've all come to know and love.
I think he's working with the Shred.
Back it on up, Dean. Back it on up like a U-Haul truck. Me.
My computer is up. What's that back, Raphael?
Where do you plug this thing in?
Oh, we can record 28 minutes on this, man. Well, we ain't gonna have that much. Just enough to hear Dean. Sound like she giving birth.
Start in the middle. I'll be fine.
We promise, bro.
Why is it I don't quite believe you guys?
Right there.
Wonder if there's anything to eat in this joint. Rock! Instant pizza!
Let's see if the newsroom file has anything on the sky.
April, it's Carl. Where are you? You're doing 10 minutes on a broadcast.
Got him!
You're a champ, Dean. You're a champ.
Burn. Where are you? What's happening with your story? Call me.
Jelly bean bubble bath. One capsule for running water. One capsule.
Hey, G-Mike! Ay! Leonardo, what are you doing?
Target practice. Take the tray.
I told you guys to stay out of trouble.
We aren't in any trouble.
That's what you think.
She's
Here, I
alright.
found Baxter Stockman's address. Why don't you go there and do some damage?
It's done.
And I'm leaving. No, I'm tired. I haven't slept all night.
Very well, go. He knows too much. Put him out of the way. Take the turtle steam cycle.
No, we don't. She's the first one we ever met.
That's sexist.
Business. We got
Sexism in the cartoons.
I hope he hasn't had time to build any
You know
more
what?
of those little
No, we don't. The first one we met.
Now, my children, seek out Hamato Yoshi, the four turtles, and use their April O'Neil. Destroy them all. It feels so good to be so happy.
We'll get back when there's a little more pain.